Ultimate pro tip, secret vault in MM2. Here's how to unlock the hidden room and grab a secret badge fast.
Hey Roblox pros. Did you know there's a secret vault in MM2's bank map? It's the ultimate hiding spot, and trust me, not many players know about this gem. Let's dive in and explore this sneaky hideout. Alright, gamers, here's the deal, this vault isn't just for hiding. It's your secret escape route to dodge the murderer like a pro. Stay hidden, stay safe, and keep your cool while others scramble.
Ready to level up your gameplay? Use the vault to set epic traps. Lure unsuspecting players, flip the script, and catch them by surprise. Who's the hunter now, huh? Get creative and dominate the game. Blending in is key. Master the art of going unnoticed in the vault. Become one with the shadows, watch the chaos unfold, and claim those wins without lifting a finger. Stealth mode, engaged.
Achievement hunters, this one's for you. Using the vault isn't just about survival. It's about grabbing that secret badge and impressing your friends. Who's the real MVP now? Go earn those bragging rights.
Now, it's your turn. Head to MM2, find the vault, and test these pro tips yourself. Let us know how it goes in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic Roblox secrets.